Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add hue, saturation, or contrast and change all that stuff with your camera on your PlayStation 5 when you're using it in Sharefactory. So if you're trying to add like video commentary or something like that, this is easy to do. So I'm just going back to the main timeline here. Find an open spot so you can add video commentary and press X. And let's go to Add Track 2. All right, under here, we want to press triangle now. So here's my big mug. I'm going to press square. Now we got pan and zoom as an option. So you can move this around, zoom in, zoom out. I was at 226%. At 220 is good. Now press square. Go to camera tuning. Under here we have sharpness, contrast. So I have mine at about 0.14. Hue, we're going to go to the right. I look like the Hulk. And then here's saturation. We can increase this. This is just going to make your color a little bit more vibrant. I'd say maybe try like 0.65 or 0.7. And I know I have the hue on there, so everything is green. So maybe I'll take that off for a second. But right around 0.6, maybe like 0.55. This looks good. Where the color looks about accurate as it is in real life versus what's on the screen. But yeah, let's bring this up to 1 and then confirm it. So you can change the way things look by just adjusting the camera tuning. So I look like the Hulk here, my goodness. But go ahead and look at this as an option. Then you can press X under here. And you can start recording your video for Sharefactory and then upload it to YouTube. Then stop it, and it should save the commentary to your timeline. Now, if you don't know how to change the position of the video, go over it, press square, go to PIP layout. Then you can make it side by side, full screen, swivel, offset. So let's do a swivel. Back out to my main timeline. Press R2 and play it. And this is what it looks like. I'm the Hulk. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.